Then comes the method of indirect method to calculate the total cost incurred in grinding department. The first head we will write beginning inventory, completed in April, cost from prior period, that was 2780, 700, 770. The cost from prior period was 4250. Then cost assigned in current period, for direct material we go to check that equivalent unit of production from material for beginning inventory were equal units were 0. So here we will write 0 multiply by our value for direct material was 0.11. So we will multiply 0 with 0.11, the answer will be 0. For direct labor we will check our equivalent unit of production for direct labor for beginning inventory. That was 20,000 units. So we will write 20,000 units multiply by the cost that is calculated for direct labor 0.06. The answer will come 1200. Same equivalent unit of production from overhead were same 20,000. We will write overhead cost 20,000 multiply by the cost allocated per unit from period for overhead 0.0425. It will be 0.0425. Answer will be 900. So cost to process beginning inventory in April will be 4250 plus 1200 plus 900, it will be a 6350. Then comes cost of units started and completed in April. Those were 70,000 units. 70,000 units that were completed during the period. We will multiply 70,000 with, if we add these three costs, it will be a 0.215. Total cost per unit, we will add these 0.25. We will multiply 0.215 with 70,000 units. It will be a 15,050. It doesn't stop here. We will also include ending inventory cost. Ending inventory cost for April, that was for direct material, ending inventory was 20,000 units. For direct labor, if we see the ending inventory for direct material, it was ending goods 20,000 units. So I took direct material 20,000 units. As compared to it, for direct labor, the ending inventory on which the units were completed, that were 5,000. So we will take 5,000 here. Same for overhead, that was 5,000. We will multiply these costs with 0.11 as it was cost for direct material, 5,000 with 0.06 as it was with 0.06 direct labor per unit cost, and overhead cost was 0.0425. 0.0425. Now after getting these costs, 2200, 300, 225, total came 2725. Total come 2725 of these costs. Now total cost after adding 4250, 6350, 15,050, 2,725, the total cost is 24,125. It is the indirect method to calculate the total cost. In both cases, the total cost will remain the same. Like here, the indirect method to calculate the total cost in grinding department cost were 24,125. Same here in indirect method, after allocating all the per unit cost to all the units in ending, beginning, during the period, the cost is 24,125, that is incurred on 1 lakh units in the grinding department. This is all about today's lecture, and numerical practice we will done in tomorrow lecture.